Hey, and welcome there. I'm Ryan, lead applications engineer here at Rottler, going to show you a nice live demonstration on lifter bushing installation. If you haven't watched our videos before on the EPE segments on lifter boring and our bore tooling, go ahead and check those out sometime. We have specific tooling designed to be used on any of our 69 series machines. That's the EM69ATC, EM69HP, or F69. Cat 40 taper, hydraulic chuck system, increments down to the 10th, and highly adjustable, very accurate, holds numbers. Really check that stuff out. So what do you do once you get done boring out your lifter bores? Well, you got to go put your bushing in. And wouldn't it be nice if you could press that in on machine? We make this lifter bushing installation tooling, and it's designed specifically to handle standard as well as these funky keyed bushings, right? Because the common question is, how do I clock one of these? And you have to get the tool and it bolts on and you do one at a time. With this system and with the machine's spindle motor, you can obviously index, and we've got a ball detent and a couple of pins that allow you to align these bushings directly on the bar here, on this mandrel, and then the machine will go right back to the positions that you bored. The software has some nice features in it. If you've ever ran a Rottler, you know it's point and shoot machining. It's exactly the same as doing the boring. You have hole locations and basically start and stop positions where it's going to push through. The only difference really is the spindle doesn't turn, or at least it shouldn't. Today we're going to do the last two. We've already pushed all these in. We've just been playing around. We'll do the last two for you here. There's some nice safety features. It automatically asks you to load the bushing when it gets into position. And really it's that simple, folks. So I'm going to hit bore this side. Get this guy running. So it's going to index over. And it's going to ask me and say check bushing. So I have to install my bushing before I continue my cycle. These really only go on one way. You want to make sure it registers fully flush out. If you get it on the wrong way, you're not going to be actually pressing on the top of the bushing. So clock it in like that. Once I've inserted the bushing onto the mandrel, hit yes. And there we go. Let this finish up. There you have it. So then it's going to ask me right here, would I like to continue? Which means I need to load up my second bushing. So I'll install my second one, press continue. Check that it's on there. There you have it. So that's it. Got to be the most efficient way to do it. Doing it right there on the machine. You can do this. You can have this tool sitting right side by side with your lifter boring equipment. Bore out your lifters, install this, make sure it's aligned, and punch your bushings in. Once it's done here, it'll move back to zero. We'll rotate the block over just so you can see them. So there's our two, keyed all the way down. So, hope that was interesting. It's a little bit of a new thing. I know we've had a lot of requests about it. If you are interested or you're doing lifter bushings, go ahead and contact your local sales reps or contact me, Ryan at rottlermfg.com. Send me an email anytime. So you're looking for the lifter bushing installation tool. And as always, happy machining, and you guys take care out there.